guys, today I'm just going to show you a little bit about this. It's a doorknob thing. It's supposed to when you open the door, it's supposed to open it, and then but sometimes find out, guys, that this one doesn't it doesn't come up. It doesn't really come up, guys. And so when this guys right here, it doesn't come up, this knob right here, it doesn't come up, guys, what you do, there's a fuse box in the outside of the car right there. There's a fuse box right there. I'm gonna show you right now. This is 750 745 Li. It's a BMW. It's a BMW It's a BMW 745 Li. So what you're gonna do, guys, is simple. You just open the passenger side. Once you open the passenger side, guys, you open this right here is you open the glove box compartment, the 740 Li. Just open right there like that. You take out that piece right there. There is a piece right there, guys. This piece right here. Let me look for a light, guys, so you guys can see well. That piece right there, it locks out. You just pull it out. Once that pulls out, you get access to the fuse box, which is just right inside there. Yeah, it's tricky, guys, to reach there. And once you get to the fuse box, guys, you use a tester like this. This is a snap-on tester tool to test and to make sure to test all the fuses. So, guys, for my case, the fuse which you're looking into is a fuse right there. There's a fuse which is down there. Is a 15. It's a 15 right there, guys. In between there, in between the yellow one and the brown one, just next to this big black relay. That fuse is for the door. Okay, there we go. You should replace that. You're good to go. Most weirdest all fuses. The location, I don't know, guys. This is the most craziest BMW did it. You put it all the way right there. Accessing is the problem, but guys, you just have to just work with this space, or you might end up like this is the easiest spot you can access it from. Yeah, testing it sometimes other fuses which are down there is a problem. You might have to take the whole thing down here. Might take everything down, but for now, guys, that should work out and that should fix your problem. This should fix the problem.